Hello students, let we study about the human skeletal system. Students, the skeletal system is the framework of bones, cartilage and ligament which consist of all organs. The bones are different in shapes like long bone, flat bones, short bones and irregular bones. Basically, human skeletal is divided into two categories: axial skeletal and second one is appendicular skeletal. Now let us discuss about the axial skeletal in detail. Axial skeletal include skull, hide bone, vertebrate column and thoracic cage. The skull is the framework which supports organs of vision, hearing, smell and taste. The skull is mainly divided into two parts. First is head bones, also called as cranial bones, and second is facial bones. There are 8 cranial bones and the 14 facial bones, thus the skull consists of 22 bones. Frontal bone, sphenoid bone, ethmoid bone, parietal bone, temporal bone and occipital bone. There are 8 cranial bones, 2 nasal bones, lacrimal bones are 2, zygmatic bone 2, maxilla 2, mandible 1, palatine bone 2, hyoid bone 1. So that is equals to 22 bones are present in our skull. Students, all the bones of the cranium are flat bones and immovable joints which protects the brain. Cranium bone is flat bone. In cranium, brain is situated and the cranium bones protects the brain. The base of the skull consists of an opening through which the medulla oblongata of the brain passes and as spinal cord. That is medulla oblongata. Student, let's discuss about the spinal cord. The highlight part is our spinal cord part. The vertebral column or backbone is as sheep which consists of 33 vertebrae. This is in the shape of S, forming S. That is shown in this animated part. The vertebral column is divided into the 5 regions first region, that is cervical vertebrae, that is formed from C1, C2, C3, C4, C5 and C6, C7. So those vertebrae are called as cervical vertebrae. They form they formed as 7 bones. Second one, that is called as thoracic vertebrae. It also has to forming the support the rib cage. So there are 12 bones: T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8, T9, T10, T11 and T12. So T1 to T7, that is tube vertebrae, and T8 to T12, sorry, T10, that is false vertebrae, and T11 and T12, that is floating vertebrae. Third one, that is lumbar vertebrae, that are 5 bones: C1, so L1, L2, L3, L4 and L5. After this one, the sacral vertebrae, that forming from the 5 bones, that complete part is formed from the 5 bones. And last one, students, fifth is coccygeal vertebrae, that forming from C1, C2, C3 and C4, that is also called as coccyx 1, coccyx 2, coccyx 3 and coccyx 4, that forming from the 4 bones. That is also formed as tail part of our remaining area, forming as a tail part. So that is also called as tailbone. The 5 sacral bones are fused together as a single bone. So those complete the 33 vertebrae in our vertebral column. The 4 coccygeal bones are fused together as another single bone. Coccyx 1, coccyx 2, coccyx 3 and coccyx 4. That is called as coccygeal vertebrae. Thus, the total vertebrae are 26 in number, but there 33 bones are present in there. Next one, students, we have to talk about the thoracic cavity. Student, this is our thoracic part. It protects our lungs and our heart part. The thoracic cavity includes 3 different types of bones. So there were 12 bones are present in pair. First, the tie-shaped bone, which are also called as breastbone or sternum. This single bone present in the front portion of the thoracic cavity. Next one, students, vertebral column. This is the long vertebral column or the spinal cord which is present in the back portion of the thoracic cavity. That is also known as spinal cord. So, thoracic vertebrae T1 to T12 are joined from the rib parts or the rib bones. Third one, students, in thoracic cavity, ribs. So rib 1, rib 2, rib 3, rib 4, rib 5, rib 6, rib 7, rib 8, rib 9, rib 10, rib 11 and rib 12. The both sternum and vertebral column are connected on the either side with the ribs. This is also called as rib cage. So it forming as a shape of cage. So that is called as rib cage. In this part, our lungs and our heart part will be protected. So students, that is our lateral view of rib cage. The rib cage consists of 12 pairs of ribs. Each rib unites as joint with vertebral column. Ribs are three types. So students, ribs are three of types. First is true ribs. So rib 1 to rib 7. Second one, that is rib 8 to rib 10, that is false ribs. And rib number 11 to rib number 12, that is called as float ribs, or they are the floating ribs, because they are not joined from another ribs. True ribs are completely joined from sternum. False ribs are joined with last of 7th rib, and 11th and 12th rib are not joined from the sternum. The first 7 ribs of the rib cage are attached directly to the sternum are called true ribs. Another 3 ribs, rib number 8, 9 and rib number 10, that are called as false ribs because these ribs are not attached directly to the sternum at and the cartilage of the ribs are attached to the seventh rib. Next one, students, rib number 11 and rib number 12 are called as floating ribs because they are not joined from the sternum part. I am finding this one and focusing on rib number 11 and rib number 12. So 11th and 12th pair of the ribs are called as floating ribs as they do not attach to the sternum.